How to fix messenger hang problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix messenger hang problem. So guys, for this you have to go to your settings, and then you have to go to install apps or app manager. Click on install apps or app manager and then search for messenger. So click on messenger and then you can see here force stop button. Click on force stop button and press OK. And then now you have to click on storage and you have to clear all the cache here. And then you can see here app permission. Go to app permission and then you have to allow all the permission here. Now go back, and then if it is still not working, then you have to click on you have to uninstall the messenger application and then you have to reinstall it. And the last option is you have to restart your phone and reopen the application. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.